Hey loves, I'm Naturally Curly and welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how I achieved a wash and go on dry hair and what products I use to style the front part. So let's get right into this video. This video is sponsored by EBIN New York. This is their new products, their 24-hour Edge Tamer and 24-hour EBIN Sleek, which is a wax. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. And I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair from just one side to the other because I want my twist to look a certain way. I'm not really that good at parting my own head because sometimes it's just hard trying to look into the camera and then trying to look into this little tiny mirror in front of me. It is what it is. So I'm going to use which is the EBIN 24-hour Edge Sleek, which is a wax. And I'm going to use that to lay some of the flyaways down on my hair. And then I'm going to use their 24-hour Edge Tamer. And the products work really well together, as you will see. I'm about to go ahead and just show you that once I get my part right, I wanted everything to be at an angle. So these products work very well together. There's no white residue or crazy buildup. The products also come in a variety of different oils, infused oils such as tea tree oil, peppermint, coconut oil, strawberries, and melon. And it also comes in different sizes as well. As you saw in the first half of the video, they have a bit of a travel size if you want to put it in your purse. Or, you can have a normal size if you just want a normal amount. These products can also be used on wet or dry hair, but I'm going to be using this on dry hair. So I'm going to go ahead and use the tea tree oil product one. And I'm going to take some of it. A little goes a long way. You don't need a lot. And as you can see, it does add shine. And I'm going to flat twist my hair. Now you can do regular twist, whatever works for you. I just want to do flat twist. But as my arms started getting tired, I started doing regular twist. I just did whatever. So I do go back and forth using the wax and the edge tamer. Both products can be used separately, but I like using them together because they just work very well together in laying my hair. So a wash and go on dry hair isn't really something new. People been doing it. I just don't do it often. I like to use a foam wrap. Spray your hair with water first. I think next time I'll try like freshly washed hair versus freshly washed and blown out hair versus already old hair. Because when I mix this product, this foam wrap with gel, my hair did start flaking in the back really bad. And I don't know if it's because my hair was, it was old hair. It already had old product in it, and just all the products weren't working well together, or if the product combination together wasn't working well. I can't really be too sure on it. But yeah, so just spray your hair with water, saturate it, then work your hair through with your favorite foam wrap. I prefer to use a foam wrap. I just like to add gel for that extra bit of definition. But again, the products I used did not work together. And I don't know if because my hair was old or what. So I'm not going to go too much on it. This is how it looks when my hair is fully saturated with the product and everything else. Then I'm going to go ahead and sit under the dryer and let it dry for about an hour because I do want to retain some length. So that's why I'm sitting under the dryer. So this is it. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to just fluff up and separate my curls. My curl pattern, my curls tend to jumble together and get tight. So I am using, because I don't have my steamer anymore, I am using my hair dryer to kind of stretch my my length out, as well as separate my curls that are just tightly jumbled together. So that's what I'm doing there. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick my hair and get everything up in the style that I'm going for. So that's pretty much we're reaching the end of this hair video journey. So I'm just going to keep picking all of this out, fluffing it up, and then I'm going to pull it up into my sum up, sub down look, and then I'm going to bobby pin everything in place. One thing I will say is, as you can see how my hair is laying, honey, EBIN New York does not play about their product. It's a really good product. Everything stays in place. You know, like my hair does not need a lot. I don't have to do a lot the next day. I don't have to my hair doesn't feel like really yucky or icky in the front. Doesn't feel stiff. So even when I took this down, I was able to style it into something else because y'all have so much going on. So I haven't been trying to do my hair every 2 days. You know, I've just been lazy. So this is really it. I'm just doing it up high, and then I'm going to pin everything, and I'm going to go ahead and pick that little top part because my hair is fine and everything falls flat. It's so interesting seeing the different textures in my hair. But thank you, EBIN New York, for sponsoring this video. Let me know your thoughts below, and if you're going to try the new product line. I also have a discount code for it, so in the description box. Thanks again. Bye.